What is an adventure, guys, without good and bad moments?
Hello, kumusta ka? Hello, kuya, kumusta? Is masarap the food here, kuya? Oh. Good morning, guys.
Like this one, spicy.
Spicy.
Only one, no all this.
Okay.
I don't want to die today, Kuya.
I want to enjoy the waterfall.
Yes.
Wow, how it look.
Wow, this is suka.
How is prepared the suka? Oh.
Yeah, a lot of peppers, a lot of chilies inside with sibuyas. Wow, pretty cool.
Good. And we have here red horse. Oh, we have here red horse, guys, with chili.
Very good place.
Huh? Red horse with chili?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You prepare all this, Kuya? Wow.
Wow,
Is it spicy now? It's okay.
Look at this. Is selling fog from this. It's so hot, I think.
Yeah, it's normal. Yeah, guys.
Well, guys.
Hello.
Magandang umaga, guys. How are you?
We are here and what the name is here? This area?
What is the name of this area, Kuya?
Taytay Falls.
Taytay Falls.
Taytay Falls.
Mahayhay.
We are here
Mahayjay, yeah.
with the matcha. What is the name, Kuya?
Red.
Red and black. Red and black? No. Red and horse. No. Red and horse. Okay. Red horse.
Alak yun ah.
You like red horse? You like? Gusto ko?
Yes.
Oh? Okay, I invite. You want?
Early.
It's so early, no?
It's early. After. Okay. After. Okay.
Very good.
What is your profession?
Foreman.
Foreman. Okay.
Skilled worker.
Skilled worker.
Then this one is a helper.
Okay. He's the helper. The poggy guy.
No,
the pangit. The pangit. But you work inside, not outside.
No, I'm same with my skill.
Because it's very hot.
My age is not
Good for. How old you are?
How old are you?
30.
30. Oh, you're younger. You're okay.
Younger than 30.
But be careful with the heart. Be careful.
Haba Ernest.
Okay. No, but hydrate. Take a bit of water for.
Yeah, that's why he's not drinking Red Horse because he's got
Drink after 4 o'clock. Red horse, no problem.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you are very responsible. Very good.
Very good.
Salamat.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Salamat, Red. Salamat.
Red, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you, Red. Okay.
Wait there just a minute. Before to continue, I want you to hear this.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, before continue with the video, I want to make a big announcement for you guys.
Of course, guys.
As you know, we are far from our family. We are originally from Spain, so we are in another point of the world, and it's not something very easy. We miss every day, you know, my grandmother, my cousins. They are almost like my brothers, you know. We grow up together. The family is something very saint. It's something very important for everyone, and I know some of you who are watching this, guys, grow up with their cousins, their brothers, their sisters, and people that it's important for you, and now for circumstances of their lives, you are now far away from your family. We understand you 100%, guys. We are living the same situation, and I would like to say that for us vloggers, we would like to be your voice and
messenger.
And the messenger.
For you are in another country for work, for different circumstances. It's hard. We know the hard is life. The life is hard. Sorry, but if we are travel, you know that.
Our plan, guys, that we wanted to do for you is that we want to give your message for any one of your family, guys. For example, if it's the birthday of your father, of your mother, whatever, or any relative or your family, and you want to give a surprise, if you want to give him a cake, some flowers, some detail that you can do because you are far away, we are disposed to do this for you guys, to be your voice, to be you in the case that you can. Also, if you want to make any detail, it's pretty nice, and if you want to make any prank to your relatives, to your family, we can do it also. We have to plan it in private, okay? You have the idea how it's gonna be the prank. You have to contact us on my Instagram or Facebook Messenger page that I'm gonna leave you guys down below in the description and in the comments of this video.
Or if you miss your house, you miss the place where you grown up. If you want to see the place when you get first kissing, or maybe I don't know,
whatever. If you miss your country,
if you miss your country, the food, places with the you have remember with this, tell us. And if you want to do a video for your family, your house, with the message for your family, tell us, and then we're gonna make a video exclusive
for
you with your family.
Of course.
This is good for everybody, for you. Remember all the member of family. It's very good for remember.
Yeah,
it's a good point.
I think it's a good detail for you guys.
Yes,
and
yes.
You deserve it, because with the main thing that you are supporting or watching these videos, it's, I think, our honor, our pleasure to make this for you guys.
Yes.
And thank you so much for supporting so much, guys. Also, I wanted to say one thing. If you want to make any detail, to make a surprise for your family, you have to contact us, but you have to send us a video, all right? A video of you to present yourself with your name, your age, what is the detail you want to make, what is the prank, what is the surprise. You can explain us in the video what you want to do.
But obviously, all this is privately.
We respect the privacy of everyone. We are serious. We
want to be because we are a little bit nostalgic now, because we see so many beautiful places in Philippines, many food in Philippines, and we can share it
with the family,
with my family.
I wish
my mother,
my family
my
could be here to enjoy and see the things we are seeing, and I swear you are feeling the same as us, guys. So we want to be empathic with you, and this is our detail, and this is our present for you. I will appreciate so much if you collaborate with this, if you want to make something with your family, and
something
special ¿cómo se dice? Exclusive video for your family.
For your family, it's perfect. Can you say in the message what is your plan, what is the message, what maybe you want to transmit something, I don't know. But if you want for the future, for remember, for save this video for exclusive for you, we're gonna make this video. So now enjoy the video and give me a good like. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
See you.
See you. So guys, we're in Majayjay. It's our first time here, and we stop until going to the Taytay Falls to have breakfast here in this eatery.
Ito is maganda store.
Very maganda store, very kind people, very mabait service.
Yes.
Wow, as you see, they put also some chilies with this, the Hungarian sausage and some egg, and we're gonna eat.
You want to try this?
Wow, I don't know if I'm gonna try it, because you know, when the chili is more smaller, more spicy it is. So I'm scared. I don't know.
How we say in Tagalog?
Speak Tagalog?
Kontila, kontila.
Little bit. How you say in Tagalog? Me scared. It's very scary. Scared.
Scared. Like, you know, scared, be afraid.
Afraid.
How do you say that in Tagalog?
Takot. It's tahot.
I'm takot of spicy, of chilies.
It's not. This is for us. Yeah? Oh, thank you
so much.
Thank you so much. Let's see the
It
sausage.
looks good. The Hungarian sausage, you know, guys, we are very fans of the sausage. And look at this.
We have ketchup also, but
Yeah.
tomatoes. I don't know.
I think it's spicy also. Huh?
This is also spicy, Kuya. I think it's spicy.
it's
I'm
spicy.
not risking.
Because it's fire in the backside, you know, here.
I buy it. I buy it. Little bit.
How was that?
For the moment, I don't feel nothing. Only I touch it.
Okay. Right. I'm gonna try.
Wow. Well, I got put water for
Wait,
you. I
wait.
prepare the water.
For the moment, I don't feel nothing. It's not spicy.
Wait.
Not spicy. Wow. For real, huh?
Don't trust. Don't trust, Raul.
Look, another.
Wait, ya hablamos de Hawaii.
Oh my god. Oh, as I tried. Wow, my god, I tried the chili. It's so spicy. Oh my god. I tried once and I said it's not as spicy. I tried a little bigger and it's too spicy, guys. Oh my gosh. Sarap. Very good. Very nice. Very nice sausage.
Yeah. Yo, that's okay.
I don't know what's that.
What is this?
Soy sauce, I think.
Oh.
Oh man.
Yeah. To make.
Look, family, something I noticed. They put our cup everyday handsome. I don't know for who is this cup. Maybe for my dad or for me. I think it's more for you, huh? Bogey every day. He's not noticing nothing, huh?
For the moment, I'm out of service.
Out of My dad is not working anymore on that, so I think this cup is for me, guys.
Wow. I like the spicy. This.
You like? No, it's a good spicy. It's not like the dust of these things. It's a different type of spicy. This is natural. It's not bad. But I took a big bite, so it's kind of so spicy for me.
I like it and I know it.
You like it, and I know. If this breakfast was not enough, my father wants to do the final challenge with the chili.
Finally, I'm gonna discover if I am a man or not.
Or baklang to. Wow. Oh my god, the reaction. Oh. How is it? Wait. Eat sausage, to calm it down. How is it? Too spicy? You want another chili?
Wow.
Wow, good?
Good.
I think you're a man. Wow, the spice is coming, huh?
Wow.
How do you feel?
Oh.
Don't feel your mouth? Oh, water, needs water. Oof. Guys, don't do this at home, huh? Dangerous. Ya está. ¿Quieres más agua? You want more water?
A small one. Is this the wild? And then the other one, the big, is the farm.
It's the farm.
Yeah.
And this is why.
The wild.
It's the light color, eh? The wild.
Yeah.
It's more yellow.
Why the color is different?
Yeah, why?
Because the other honey is the wild, and then the other one is the farm. The farm is the what the call this? Sometimes
The big.
the farm, or the bee is the around the farm, but the
This is different.
Yeah.
And then, for the try?
Oh my god,
Okay.
look at that. It's a little bit liquid, huh?
Yeah.
I think that is more dense.
Oh, well, let me see.
Natural, the most natural
Yeah.
honey you could try, guys. I don't know if you really see that, guys. It's kind of a liquid milk, so natural. Wow, it smells so sweet, so
Powerful.
powerful, huh? Wow. Wow.
Oh, okay.
For real, huh? You have to try it. Wait.
Okay.
So sweet, so powerful, huh? I love it. It's not a sweet that you can say it's too much. It's okay.
Yeah. Not stronger the sweetness.
Yeah.
Like with sugar.
Yeah.
It's natural. Wow, I like it so much.
How
Kuya.
much is the
Yeah.
one?
How much is the
This
bus?
is the 250. Another one is 250, but this one big.
250.
Yeah.
And the big one, how much?
250.
250.
Yeah, but the
But
taste.
A different puede?
This is more dense, you see.
Yeah, the smell is totally different.
It's totally different.
It's mixed with something.
Yeah, lemon.
Lemon, yeah.
That's why the big bottle and the little is the same price, but
Right.
different quality.
Yeah.
It's totally different. More sweet. This is not so sweet.
Yeah.
That is good. This smells of lemon also.
And
You can
then
smell
the taste.
It's good,
It's
but
good.
it's different way.
Yeah. The taste is the natural. And then the,
I prefer really
yeah.
the
more
natural
in this.
one, yeah.
Okay, when we are back, we're gonna buy this.
Yeah.
I don't want this. What is better, this or this?
I think that
Guys, tell me what you prefer, the black label or GB or
the honey.
the honey natural or the, what you prefer, Kuya?
Honey.
I don't believe it.
So family, as you see, we finished our breakfast with the kuya. They show us a little bit the meal, with the meal, the honey, sorry. 20 is the parking. 20, okay. 20 in Spanish. Very good. Wow, I think it started raining, guys. Oof. I want to talk with you a little bit about the prices here, what you need. When you are going to Taytay Falls, guys, here in Majayjay, you only need to pay the entrance fee and the parking. You don't need a tour guide. That's something that in other... Hello, Kuya, ¿cómo está? Hello, with the horse. Pogi. In another falls, you know, there you need to pay a tour guide fee. It's like 400 pesos, expensive and these things, but here in this one, it's not. It's only, I think, 1 kilometer walk, 10 minutes, and you could find the waterfalls. You only need to pay the quantity of 50 pesos per person for entrance fee. That's like €1, $1, something like that, and 20 pesos for the parking. It's something very affordable, I think, and it's pretty nice. Guys, actually, in the moment I'm filming this, it's kind of raining. The weather is not that good, as you see. Oh, you hear that? I think we came in a bad moment, but let's gonna see, guys. Kuya, it's okay if it's raining? Yeah?
No.
Is people there? Taytay Falls?
Many people don't.
Many people? Because weekends, no?
This is people is going there.
Ah, very good. Let's gonna see. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Well, guys.
Let's see, wow. I'm a little bit scared, guys.
Yeah, because you heard that thunder. I think it's
What is
raining
the
a
name
little.
is?
Taytay Falls.
No, the...
Storm. It started raining. Oh my god.
I don't know. I coming to the hill.
Yeah. In internet, it put that it's not gonna be raining, only cloudy. But look, it started now. Let's come here. Let's gonna put this. You're the first one. You're the first one.
Yes.
Casper, is that you?
I'm gonna show you. Hello.
Hello, kumusta? We can hear it's raining. Yeah.
Huh?
Casper.
It's okay like this.
It's ready.
Kuya, how do you say ghost in Tagalog?
Momo.
Multo.
Multo. Oh, multo.
I'm multo. You scared of multo?
No,
No?
You see multo here?
I'm scared to live, not dead.
Good logic, that's good one.
Very good.
It's maganda, no?
Very clean.
Okay,
Cleaning, no? But look,
The water is very clean.
But I put it in reverse. Wait a minute.
you know? No. Okay?
No.
Okay.
Spain.
We're gonna try to go to the waterfall, but
It's 10 minutes walk.
Very refreshing.
come with us. Come on. Enjoy us.
Guys, two multos walking in the street in the Philippines.
This is crazy. I don't know what I'm doing here with my age. I have.
Ay, there.
It's over there.
Ah, okay, kuya. Thank you.
Come with us. Come on. No bites? No bites? It's very far, the waterfall.
10 minutes walk.
10 minutes.
10 minutes walking.
Shout out, shout out.
Hello guys. Oh, you say chill, no?
We are from Bulacan.
Oh, what?
So far? It's far from here, Bulacan?
Yeah. It's like 6 hours. 6 hours ride.
How is coming? In the car or?
Motorcycle.
Motors, I don't believe it. Wow.
How about you guys? Where are you guys?
Calamba?
Calamba.
Yeah, Calamba, Laguna.
This is from Calamba also.
Also?
Calambeno.
We are 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay guys, ingat. Bye bye. Oh. Oh guys. Hello guys. Hello. Kumusta ka? No ticket. We don't know where we're going. Actually, I love this word, babala.
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 I think a babala is avalanche, right?
Babala is baba. I think it's get down.
What is an adventure, guys, without good and bad moments? Well, but this is not a bad moment because we are enjoying. Oh my god, I feel like a little kid playing in the rain. Wow, this is so crazy. You see, all this way is downstairs, this way to Taytay Falls. Alright.
I like the Filipino style. It's a very señalizada. The things
Yeah, it's very señalized, no? Como
señalized always.
basura mo. Ah, okay.
Multa.
This is
No,
the payment if you throw basura.
Oh,
Okay. This is something good.
have
Do
to
not
be
mess
careful
with the
the
nature.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Yeah, guys. Actually, these rules helps a lot this place because you see another waterfalls. The way to get there, it's a little bit dirty or it's a little bit complicated to go there. But this one is pretty good because it's so clean. You can enjoy here all the nature, and you see it's only this way. I think it's going straight, and that's it. You have to go downstairs and go straight, and that's it. You don't have to climb rocks or do things like that. Yeah, wow. Look, this kuya is coming for it. Hello kuya, kumusta? Oh, ingat. The people is covering themselves with whatever they found.
Look at me.
Look, my father.
Ah, I don't have hands.
The multo, the Casper.
Ah! Enjoy the nature.
I am enjoying like a little kid, guys, but
No, you're little kid. I'm little bit Tarzan.
again, Tarzan and the gorilla. Oh, guys, I won't lie to you. It's a little bit cold, but it's okay.
This is my idea to get this falls. No, for the rain.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
the idea of my father to take it in just in case it's gonna rain. Guys, just take a quick look. Forget the camera, wait a minute. Just take a quick look of this water, guys. It's so clear.
it's amazing, guys.
I want want to go there to discover. It's okay. Wow, the people is doing barbecue. Hello, ¿cómo está? The people, wow, it's full of people. Well, now not that much because it's raining, but
The people is make barbecue here.
wow.
And,
Yeah. This is what?
think how
Look
it's
at this.
possible to do this. Wow, it's crazy, guys. All the clean this water. Wow.
All the people is coming here with tents, with things.
Is finished the food?
That's it.
Not yet. It's raining.
Not for the moment.
No raining?
No rain.
I was very shy. Oh, hello. Hello guys. Hello.
Hindi malamig.
Hindi malamig? Malamig?
Very hot. Okay.
You are the opposite of the all actors. Hey, it's pangit.
Pangit. This is the pogi one.
Pangit. You are opposite. You are opposite. Thank you.
Let's go.
Wow.
This is crazy. It's just like in internet. Oh my god.
Look, Kuya. You are so brave, Kuya.
Oh yeah, you are brave.
Brave.
Good.
Okay, you can do it. Let's see. You can do. Kuya, what is your name? What is Chico? Be careful. You know swim. Is your wife?
Yeah.
Malamig the water.
Hello guys.
Kumusta?
Come on, enjoy.
Wow,
No.
this is a very crazy scene, guys. The waterfall and it's raining. It's wow. I think it's wonderful. Very, very wonderful.
I think it's the first time when I go to the waterfall rain, but
Yeah, it's the first time.
it's a beautiful sensation.
I love it.
Yes, I love this sensation.
To be in front of the waterfall and the rain
Raining,
is coming,
the-
but it's not so hard, the rain. It's just okay. Magic experience.
Stop magic. I come in here because Raul say to us, he's gonna take a bath. You're gonna take a bath?
I'm gonna take it. It's so hot, guys. You have to mentalize. You have to
Now put
mentalize.
this, if it's cold in the water, put this.
No, it's gotta be.
Put it in the water.
The secret, guys.
Take off the shoes.
Wait a minute. Guys, listen to me. The secret is that it's all mental. If you think the water is hot, it's gonna be hot. That's the secret.
Be careful, don't burn to you, don't burn. Take off the shoes.
No.
See, take off the shoes, better.
Wow! Wow! Oh my god! Oh, it's not that bad, eh? I thought it was gonna be worse.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Wow, I don't feel my legs.
Yeah, I know.
You are crazy! Impossible. Bro! Guys, this is so cold, it's so crazy. The water is freezing cold. Oh my god.
The cab, man. Take a bath in this water, cold, very cold water. But for me it's okay. For Raul, Take it.
Guys, we are done. I think we are going home now. So yeah, what can I say about Taytay Falls?
It's very beautiful,
Very maganda, but
very easy to access here.
yeah, it's very easy actually.
It's very easy to
You
access
only have to go downstairs, some stairs, and you
Little
have
bit.
to go derecho, and that's it.
5-10 minutes, but easy to walk, easy, is relaxing.
You don't need a tour guide.
I don't need to die two times.
You don't need to die also. Huh?
Yeah, it's easy. How the water is
The water is actually so clear, is so beautiful, but it's for me is the most cold waterfall I've been in the Philippines. I know, but I swear, guys, I swear I could not swim anymore,
caveman is not calling. Not calling.
bro.
So this is our venture today.
Yeah, it was a pretty crazy adventure, guys. We took the rain when we were coming.
Yeah,
So-
it's now the weather is okay. Now the weather is okay, but we don't have clothes to change. We are cold a bit,
Yeah.
but no problem. And yeah, we see you.
In the next video. Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. Burger.